Say. What is he involved in with respect to mining?
He is not involved in anything, and the world will get to know very soon.
There are calls for you to resign. Will you resign?
For what purpose?
They say you are failed and you are neck deep in it, allegedly. Will you resign?
I've told you. I mean, you are asking me about what we've done so far, and I've given you a run out. Do you think that with this assessment I should resign?
Prof, what percentage of the fight would you have said you've won in Galamsey?
I think I just said it a while ago.
No, percentage specifically.
I think I would say 70%.
70%?
Yes.
You have failed by 30% then.
If that's your assessment, that is.
Where are the excavators, sir?
Every excavator that has been stolen will be found.
Why were they stolen? You were sleeping on the job, perhaps?
I was not sleeping on the job.
You have soldiers to guard excavators, yet they went missing. How did that happen?
Pardon me?
You have soldiers as part of the Operation Vanguard protecting these equipment. How did they disappear overnight?
No, they did not disappear overnight. I mean, you will get a fast pretty soon. I don't want to overstep what the security people are doing, the investigators. So let us be patient. You'll get the facts pretty soon.
How many are missing?
Please, you'll get the facts very soon. As I said, they are being investigated.
We should have these figures, shouldn't we? If we know how many
you will
have
get them.
seized.
You will get them pretty soon. Please, don't harass me. You'll get the facts soon.
Prof, if you say that you have won about 70% of the fight against Galamsey,
You will talk about Galamsey at the appropriate time. Let's talk about.
but you have just said that you've won about 70% of it.
Because you want me to comment on the State of the Nation address delivered by the President. Why don't you stay there? When you exhaust it, then we can have another time to talk about.
The state of the water bodies of the country is pretty much a state of the country.